Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on digital products with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. To save on digital products with Adobe, start by visiting the official Adobe website. Explore the plans and pricing section to find options that suit your needs. Consider monthly versus annual subscription plans. Annual plans often provide a significant discount compared to monthly options. Look for student or educator discounts if you qualify. Adobe frequently offers reduced pricing for students, making tools more accessible. Check for promotions or seasonal sales on Adobe's website. Sign up for the Adobe newsletter to receive updates on special deals. Consider using a trial version of Adobe products before purchasing. This can help you determine if the software meets your needs without financial commitment. Be aware of bundle offers, which can provide additional savings. Adobe Creative Cloud bundles multiple applications at a lower price than purchasing them separately. Utilize Adobe's free resources and tutorials to maximize your use of the software. These resources can help you learn faster and work more efficiently. Look for third-party deals or discounts from authorized resellers. Sometimes, retailers offer competitive pricing for Adobe products. Evaluate whether you truly need all the features of higher-tier plans. Opt for a basic plan if your requirements are minimal. Keep an eye on Adobe's affiliate programs for potential cashback offers. This can help you earn a little back on your purchase. Consider using the software during a short-term project if a subscription is not feasible long-term. This way, you can use it without the commitment. Stay informed about upcoming product launches, as they occasionally come with introductory offers. Lastly, gather feedback from the Adobe community to learn about the best ways to utilize discounts. By following these strategies, you can effectively save on your Adobe digital products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.